Sunrise Bakery has $1,000 for its next improvement and two very different ideas. One is a delivery warmer upgrade similar to equipment the bakery already uses. The other is an untested mobile bread cart that could reach an entirely new neighborhood. The cart has much bigger potential. It also has many more ways to disappoint. That tension is the relationship between risk and return. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to see both sides of it, without assuming that more risk automatically means more money. First, return is the financial result of an investment compared with the amount you started with. If $1,000 becomes $1,050, the return is a $50 gain, or 5%. If it becomes $900, the return is a $100 loss, or negative 10%. Risk is the uncertainty around that result, including the possibility of a financial loss that matters to you. Now, back to the bakery. Imagine the delivery warmer works about as expected. In our simple illustration, the bakery's $1,000 might end up producing value around $1,030 or only $970. That is a relatively narrow range, a possible gain of 3% or a possible loss of 3%. The mobile cart has a wider range. If customers love it, the project might produce value of $1,400, a 40% gain, but the new location might be quiet. Costs might run high. The equipment could fail. The same project might produce only $600 of value, a 40% loss. These numbers are fictional scenarios, not predictions. Their job is to make the shape of the decision visible. The warmer offers less exciting upside but fewer unknowns. The cart offers more exciting upside because the outcome is less certain. In general, people considering greater investment risk look for a greater possible return to make that risk worth accepting. That is the risk-return trade-off. But here is the part that matters most. Risk does not cause a higher return. Taking the risky path only gives you a wider range of possible outcomes. You might reach the top of that range. You might land in the middle, or you might absorb the larger loss. So riskier does not mean better. And if someone promises a high return with little or no risk, that combination should make you more skeptical, not less. Before a possible return grabs your attention, ask 3 questions. What is the upside? What is the downside? And what has to go right? For the bread cart, the upside is new sales. The downside is losing a meaningful part of the bakery's money. And customer demand, costs, and reliable equipment all have to cooperate. Those questions do not choose the investment for you. They make the trade-off harder to hide. So remember, a larger possible return generally comes with greater uncertainty or loss potential. More risk can create more upside, but it never promises a better result. If this made investing feel a little easier to understand, like the video and subscribe for the next lesson.